Let's just take a look down there. Yeah, it's working down there too. So just smooth out. Oops. I'm gonna smooth out all that. Up that strength and the auto smooth a little bit. I can probably set it to change the orientation. Okay, there's the stencil. I was wondering where that was. So let's see if we can line that up. And I moved it around by pressing the front button on the on my stylus, and now I'm turning it by pressing Control, and I'm going to zoom it in a little bit to something like that, and then move it around a little bit more. That's going to be about right. That's fine. And change this to inflate. Ah, shoot. That's all right. We'll probably have to do it again, but okay, move it, rotate it with Control, and then scale it with Shift. Not that small, but Let's see how that came out. A little rough, but I think I'm going to be happy with it. Try to turn up the auto smooth a little bit, and definitely increase that. And we'll move it again. I'll try to line that up and push it a little further. Nah, I just messed it up. Made it just look muddy looking. I'm going to turn off the stencil so I can move in the scene again. And last time. Alright, let's hope Blender doesn't crash, and let's hop out and see what we got. So yeah, I mean, I think that's about gonna do it. That's a little messy, but let's hop in here and see if we can smooth it out, which hopefully we can. But that's the basic idea. And I've never really used stencils before, but it just goes to show that, it's maybe something worth thinking about, something worth trying. See if we can just kind of smooth that to give it a little bit of a sharper look. I mean, it's obviously quite messy at the moment. And I think it's still symmetrizing in the Z for us. Yeah. I'm going to increase that strength a little bit more and try to make these even a little more subtle. Like, I didn't really realize how pronounced they really are. It's very pronounced. So let's Let's make it much more subtle. I mean, these are like really lifted. You can see Blender's getting a bit it's really churning on me now with all this detail in the scene. But I mean, the good thing is, I mean, we're done. Now it's just switch back into object mode, and at this point we probably want to kind of update our low poly mesh a bit, because it's not going to be able to support some of these details, like the lifted boards and stuff like that. So we'd probably want to redo those, or using the same mentality that I used before. Put in a vertex and then extrude it out and around, and use snapping tools to snap it to the surface, and then that way you can just kind of create a new mesh for it. So, but anyway, that's kind of just the demo I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, have a good one.